Radhe Radhe. In this video, the quote which I'm showing you right now, I'm going to speak about it. You may ask what is there to speak about it, but just see, just read it. How sweet, how beautifully written. Just want to thank Krishna publicly for all the things he is doing for me privately. See, there is a different kind of motivation in it, different kind of spark in it. Just realize this quote definitely will get you that spark inside you and make you achieve, make you run towards your goal. Just read, just want to thank Krishna publicly for all the things he is doing for me privately, because only we know he is doing many things for us, many leelas for us. We can't say everything in front of everyone, right? But we all have some feeling that we have to do something for Krishna, but it is not possible because he is the owner of everything, he is the creator of everything. What is there to give to him? If we think if we are giving something to Krishna, that is our illusion, because we can't give anything to Krishna except our unconditional love. We can love Krishna unconditionally. That's the thing he is also expecting, not anything from us. So, for that, we have to prove our love, right? How can we prove it to him? By following his words, by following the duty which he is given to us. So, how to do that? Sometimes each one of us given a certain kind of path, certain kind of duties. Our duty is to fulfill that. Some will be having certain kind of work and some will be studying. So, in our each path, we'll be having a certain kind of goal. Without goal, we can't run. We have to set a goal and run towards it. We have to make Krishna proud. By doing what? By achieving our goal. How to achieve that? We have to make Krishna stand in front of us. We are just a zero. Like if one is stand in front of zero, then only it gets value. That's what we have to do. But that is not in our hands. Just completely in the hands of Krishna. By his mercy, he will show a way. So, just realize this quote. What we have to do? What is our duty? We have to achieve in a certain state. We have to achieve, we have to go to a certain height. We have to get success in what we have to do, what we are doing. Then after achieving that, we have to stand in a place and say, oh Krishna, everything is happened because of you. You are the reason. Just want to thank you for everything you have done to me. Just thank him in front of everyone. I'm grateful to you, Krishna. Thank you. Thank you so much because you have did many things in my life. I'm so grateful to you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. If you say in front of everyone after you achieved, then your words gets valued. Then they will realize who's that? Krishna. Oh, Krishna. Krishna is the one. Because of his mercy, this everything happened. They too will get faith on him and they too will get directed towards the path of Krishna. They too will follow him. That's what we all want, right? So just take this quote as your motivation and just run towards your dream and achieve it and say in front of everyone, Krishna is the reason. Because of him, I'm in this place right now. So just thank him. Radhe Radhe. Thank you for watching.